Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Roblox clothes not showing in-game on Xbox step by step. If your avatar looks different in-game or default clothing appears, don't worry, this is usually a sync or loading issue. First, go to the avatar editor on the Roblox website or mobile app and make sure the clothes you want are properly equipped. After confirming, completely close Roblox on your Xbox by pressing the Xbox button, highlighting Roblox, pressing the menu button, and selecting Quit. Then reopen the game to refresh your avatar data. If the issue continues, try changing into a different outfit, save it, then switch back to your preferred one. This forces the system to resync your appearance. You should also check your internet connection, since slow syncing can delay avatar updates. Finally, restart your Xbox to clear temporary glitches. After logging back in, your clothes should display correctly in supported games. Subscribe the channel for more videos.